8 seconds. This boring slide, way too much text. That same text, the same content broken into 4 or 5 slides would have been awesome. Click, Reels. I'm just going to find something that has text that I like. I've just been using this one because it has decent text. It's white and I can see it. If you guys want to get fancy with all this stuff that's flying in, that's fine. I'm really just trying to get white text. There we go. Okay, let's see if I could find somebody dancing that's just over the top happy. I mean, it worked for iPhone, right? That's how they sold so many dang iPhones. I'll upload this audio too. Why not? So this audio track we're only using on YouTube, right? This is the YouTube audio track. So then when we upload to Facebook, we'll overwrite that with the Facebook music. So let's see if I could find a video of someone happy dance. It'd be nice if I spelled happy right. Happy dance, right? I like to make this lift. I think by making the lift all the way stands out a little bit more. Now that I've adjusted that text, I'm gonna copy this track. There you go. That's gonna work just fine. I want our arms up, the mouth open too. That sounds great. Center this thing and make this about 2.5 seconds or so. Somewhere between 2.5 and 3 seconds. Okay, so then I'm gonna say, hi, is she so happy? And then it's gonna say team dance. Do we have a team happy dance? That'd be great if there was a whole bunch of people dancing that were happy. Yeah, look at that. How easy. Because he has a team to help man. And we're gonna have to make that much smaller. And that person dancing in the background. Let's see what this looks like. I don't need that transition. Just make it a quick dissolve. There, apply between all. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Let's go with benefits. Instead of problem solution, it's question solution. No more being overloaded with work. Should we just continue with dancing? Dancing's a good theme. Let's do it. I'd like happier. I'd like it. Okay, that's probably going to be the outro slide. I guess I should make sure I spell my URL right. The safest way to spell a URL right is to go to the website and take the URL. Contact KLB Solutions today. So how many seconds are we at? 12. So I'm looking at the upper corner here, 12. I'm just going to bring this out to 15 seconds or so. Good. We're going to go here. Maybe we could get a better dance clip. I'd like a silly dance. Yes, very nice, very nice. That's how it feels if you're not doing it anymore. So anywhere after 15 seconds is going to be fine. So let's see it. Final product. Why is she so happy? She has a team to manage her work. No more being overloaded with work. Contact KLB Solutions today. I said work twice with projects. And then this needs to go to the end. Usually goes to the end. Okay, so I'm going to download this thing. See, so I mean, well, we were on the phone for 29 minutes and I've already discussed how to do it and made one, right? So this doesn't have to be rocket science. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here. We're going to upload that. Public. Sounds good. Run a copyright check, sure. We'll see. If they tell me they don't like the music, I'll just take a music from, yeah, they don't have an issue with that. So if they did have an issue, then I would just take some generic Canva music. And then I'd probably download it a separate time if I didn't like the music, just with the YouTube music that I picked. Yep, create, upload video. So to make a short in YouTube, you actually have to put the word shorts with a plural in the description and in the title. As long as it's under 60 seconds and it has the word shorts in here, it is going to become a short. I'll put shorts at the end. We can actually make a special thumbnail. Create YouTube thumbnail. The team does the work and get this to be bigger. Now happy dance. Oh, it did it. Fantastic. Oh, that's good. Okay. Download and upload the thumbnail. Good. Come over here. No, it's not for kids. Next. It'll go over here. Hit next. Check. There's no copyright issues. If there were, then you just got to change the music, right? That's what the copyright issue would be. And then it's public. And next. Now, if you're making a bunch of these because you don't want to do it every day, you can actually schedule that there. with Facebook and things like that, no, you have to manually make them. So there it is. That reel's made. So then I go to my drive, team assets. I think I have it here under videos. Yep. So that's where I've been putting my videos. So I just dropped that video over there. So I can now go over to my phone, but I'm just going to go over to my drive. And so I go to my Facebook, I go to my page. You guys probably familiar with this. If not, you will be. Okay, so I open my KLV Solutions page. I go to pages. There we go. No more blur. Okay, so right here, there's Reels. See? Reels. So I click Reels. And then I pick my file. I got my dancing file now. Okay, I put my file there.
Yeah.
And right there is audio. Okay? So I click audio. There's audio. So then I click add music. I'm just gonna find. Okay, good enough. I made sure it wasn't offensive. So piano, hip hop. I'm happy with all that stuff. Now I'm gonna hit next, and it's gonna be public. It makes me so happy to have the team do the work. Period. A team I can trust. A team that's dependable, that I rely on, period. Let's see your happy dance. Contact KLB Solutions today. I think for voice to text because my fingers are way too big to be typing. And hashtag content creation, hashtag SEO. So real simple, bunch of hashtags. Then you hit share. And then you'll see up at the top, it's spinning. So when that's done, you'll have uploaded the video. The reel will be live. So that was it. Posted to Facebook, posted it to TikTok, posted it to YouTube. It really does produce a lot of eyes whenever we produce a reel. Whenever I look at these insights, I'm always blown away by it. Here's when we started posting reels. Look at that. The difference between 5 and 200. Reels are magic.